All right, we're back, and throw up shares of Twitter. We've been showing you how tough a day it's been for that company. Doc, you saw enough to jump in through calls. Take a long position through call options.
I talked myself into it, Judge. It fell far enough, 20% down here. Like we said, topped out at a 90% year-to-date number just a month ago, and now here it is, barely holding on to 40% year-to-date gain. I think that they didn't have enough bad news to justify as much as it's come down, so I bought in the money calls.
Ah, interesting. Okay. 34.51 is where it's currently trading. It's still down 20%. Thank you for that update. All right, let's do the Blitz now. First up, Electronic Arts is down after giving weak guidance for the year. Doc, I'm coming back to you. Yeah, weak guide. They beat on top line, bottom line. Everything looked okay until that guidance came out, Judge. A lot of brokers came out, reiterated targets, though. We'll see how long it stays down, but it's a 5% drop today. All right, highest level for Chipotle, Josh, in more than a year.
Yeah, it's been a huge recovery. Now it runs into resistance from last March, April, which is somewhere between 510, 520. That's probably a logical place where if you've caught a lot of this move and you're a trader, not an investor, maybe that's the stop you get off on. And then if you're somebody that's looking to take a long position, maybe you hold off. Maybe you wait to see if you can get through that congestion. And if it does, I think that's a pretty strong signal that the sellers are finished. New CEO seemed to make a really big difference here. Yeah, Ryan Nickel. We wish them luck. You know, it's a brand that people love, and they've gone through a really tough time, and hopefully that's in the past. All right, stock we don't talk about all that often, if ever. Zimmer, Biomet, Stephanie Link, you own it. That's why we're talking about it. They beat on the top and the bottom line.
Yes. I do own it. This is Baxter 2.0. So Baxter was a company that was a turnaround story with new management, and they had a lot of problems, and there was a lot of overhead, and the CEO really did an amazing job. And look at Baxter stock over the last couple of years. This is exactly the same. In fact, the two are actually related. So the two CEOs. So I actually think that you're going to beat, raise, and this is just the beginning. The valuation's at 16 times forward estimates, and there's a lot of both upside to the revenues and margins, too.
Okay.